Hi, hello friends, welcome to Review. Today I'm going to tell you about one of the cheapest web hosting in India. They're hosting you the basic plan start from $59. They're giving you a web host, a web builder hosting, VPN, domain, everything. Before going to topic, make sure you subscribe and like this video and share this video. Hosting is the web hosting which are giving you basic hosting in $1, in less than $1. Coming to the choose your best hosting plans. Like a most popular was the premium web hosting and business web hosting and single web hosting. They have a single web hosting giving for 59 rupees one, a premium web hosting they are double the price, like 119 per month. Like business web hosting they are charging 290 rupees per month. In that they are giving one website. You can host only one website. They are not giving including any free domain. For that unlimited web hosting they are for 119 plan they are giving unlimited and all benefits from premium. So both the packages are having good offers. Like if you are newbie, if you are start new hosting, if you have only one blog, if you are doing it as part time, go with a one website plan. If you are having one no more than one website, go with the premium web hosting. If you are in pro business account, go with a business web hosting. Like if you have 10-20 website and if you for business hosting they are giving SSL certificate for free. It's like a 10x passing memory. If you have your revenue is more, you are getting more views, traffic. For that one, go with the business planning. Here's the basic small tips. See even more, get free domain name with each premium and business web hosting. They are giving free domain name for this premium and these two hosting for 15 rupees per month. They are not giving any free hosting and they are offering you 30 days money back guarantee. If you are 100% with hosting, you will refund the payment. And this is the cheapest web hosting with the PHP and MySQL FTP, low price to higher quality, 30 days money back guarantee, like a free domain name and free SSL certificate included for all the packages, including $56 per month. This is the cheapest hosting web hosting. You can include you can post your blog on looking for cheapest hosting. On-click installation feature, like one-click installation extract feature. If you go to website installation, you can install WordPress, any CMS site. Get to your website online your own. Note and like Hostinger provides every customer with all the necessary tools to have full functional website up and running if possible. Expect more pay less. You can get more features in less one. Best web hosting in get free domain and giving us some free offers. Like hosting is one of the cheapest domain hoster fully certified. I can remember today with Hostinger you can save even more than get your customer domain name in unlimited web hosting all in one package only for hosting a price. Free domain are included in every premium and business cheap web hosting plans. Like their web hosting with SSD disk and high speed, like a speed to your website, like e-commerce store with which vital to your SEO ranking. Dedicated live support, you can get so many features. Easy cheap web building, WordPress hosting in India. There are some. They're going some more to compare all the web hosting plans, like a processor power 1x, 2x, 4x, and website one you can host your own website. Unlimited, premium, unlimited, unlimited. The express they remove 10 GB in for single in a premium hosting is 20 and business hosting they have 100 GB. Bandwidth comes with 100 GB ESP and for premium business unlimited. MySQL database they're giving one database, like in premium they're giving unlimited. Free domain registration, we don't have a single line premium, they're giving a free domain. They were giving a free SSL certification for 3 packages, like daily backup for they're giving only for business account. Email account they're giving one email account, single account they're giving unlimited email accounts of premium business account. 19% uptime speed they're giving 24/7 support for country. These are awesome features given by the hosting. If you want to go with any website builder, there are so many features are giving you. This the so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to take any option, like I will show you 2 different ways. Add to this one open card and add to card. I am selecting a plan. I am opening these 2 plans. How I will tell you difference between 2. If you go with the 199, if you take it as 48 months, 48 months. So it's like they were charging you around 8,000 total values, 8,555. You are getting these for, so you save total if you're going with a 48 months package, you're getting these package for 48 months 58 rupees, like you're getting subtotally 2832 rupees for 4 4 years. In 4 years time you're getting only for 48 for 48 months you're getting a for 59 rupees. They're charging 2830 in India. It is all GST for like 2%, like it may add over 250 rupees, like you may add more 500 rupees, like 3000 rupees, which are almost 600. They are giving you SSL certification, good charge, like these are the feature you can, if you proceed like just saving you, this is your saving in 59 package. Like if you go with, if you go with the 59, this is the offers you are getting from 59 package. If you're going with a 199 package, they're charging you around they're charging around 5,712. Like if you add $1,000 for GST, like that you can, it will be around 7,700, like 6,700, like this you can save it like this. You can use unlimited subsides in this package, this 199 package, this 119 package. So I hope you enjoy this video. Make sure you subscribe, like this way, share this. Thank you. Have a nice day.